So negative 3 and negative 4 will be somewhere in here. So that is your terminal arm. So this is point negative 3 and negative 4. We bring a vertical at 90 degrees. We know this is the x is negative 3 and the y is negative 4. Use Pythagoras to find out the missing side, which is the hypotenuse. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared, or you could just go the square root of negative 3 squared plus negative 4 squared. You don't even need to use the negative because when you square it's positive. So that's 9 plus 16 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So the missing side is 5. Now sin theta is up. This is theta, of course. This is theta, but this is your reference angle right here. So opposite over hypotenuse. So that's negative 4 over 5. Cosine theta equals negative 3 over 5, adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan theta equals negative 4 over negative 3, so that's going to be positive 4 over 3. Now, the cosecant, secant, and cotangent, you just reciprocate all these numbers. So cosecant theta equals negative 5 over 4. Secant theta equals negative 5 over 3. And cotangent theta equals 3 over 4. And that's done.